Welcome to Harriet classes. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the news report writing, and this news report writing comes in question number 6A, A2 or A1. Here I have taken the heading Sweeper's daughter score 96 in HSC result. Means what are the points include in the news report writing? Means here 5 points are there. First one, heading or title. Means this points you should use the present tense, likely. And second is deadline. Means news agency will be there, date will be there, and day will be there, and agency will be there, and place will be there, and it takes half marks, and heading will take 1 mark. And then lead line means introduction of the news report writing. Here in the introduction, there what will be there, where will be there, and who will be there, and when will be there. Means what was in the incident, means in the news, and where it takes, and who done the news, or when it take place, etc. And in general it will write in the passive, and it takes half marks. And then I will go to the next one, means fourth one, body of the news report or short paragraph, and it will write in passive voice. And then in the body we should express, means we should write the body of the subject matter. Okay. And then I will go to the next one, fifth one, conclusion, and this conclusion we should write in past or in future, and it takes 1 marks. And in the end, vocabulary or the grammar will take 1 marks. Means how we use the vocabulary in the news report writing, and how we use the proper grammar. If we use proper grammar, it will it will come as, means it will take 1 mark. So this will carry, means news report writing will carry 5 marks. And I will show you the news report of the sample of the news report writing, and it will be more clear to you. Okay. News report writing. About news report writing, some guidelines are there. Means one, heading or title, means we should write in the present tense, and it will take, it will carry 1 mark. And second, dateline, means news agency, date, day will be there, and it will carry half marks. And third, lead line or introduction. In lead line introduction, what will be there, where will be there, about incident, and who will be there, when will be there, and it will write in a passive voice, and it will take half marks. And then again, fourth one, body of the news report or the short paragraphs, and it will write in the passive voice, and it will take 1 marks. And again, conclusion is there, and it will write, means we should write in the past or future, and it will take 1 mark. And if we use correct vocabulary, correct grammar, and it will carry 1 mark. Total 5 marks are there. And news report, here it will come in question number 6A2, news report. Prepare a news report based on the following: sweeper's daughter or son score 96% in a class of 12th. And here I have written the sample, in general sample of the news report. Here heading will be there, sweeper's daughters score 96 in 12th class. And here second is there dateline. Here day will be there, date will be there, and month will be there, and place, and news agency, means news reporter, NR. Here I have taken Arti Hiremat scored 96 in HSC Board of Pune division, and when board announced the result of HSC Board of Pune, she was the first in Solapur district. And this is the what is dateline, and third one body of the subject matter, it is lead line, dateline and lead line. And here source said that Aarti Hiremat had written the exams in February 2020 and she was faced many odds because her father was peon in municipality or the municipal corporation of Pakkalkot. Her childhood was upbringing in very poor condition. Though she had no facilities, she came first in the list in HSC result. She done hard study in her daily life and she helped her family also. And then last one means conclusion. The DC of the Solapur city honored with garland to Aarti Hiremat. Aarti expressed her opinions about the result. She gave a message to youth. If we study hard, we will success in our future days. She wants to become an IAS officer in future and she wants to serve the country. So this is the sample of the. Dear students, if we follow these points, means heading or title, deadline, lead line or introduction, body of the news report and conclusion, and if we use proper vocabulary and proper grammar, and we will carry 5 marks, and I hope you will understood thoroughly. So, dear friends, if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon, and it will help us to upload our future videos. And if you have any comments, please comment on our YouTube channel, and then it will help to improve our videos, and then share to your friends. Thank you very much.